Can you imagine what your home would look like with a new design style? What if I told you there's a way to see the results in just 30 seconds before making any expensive changes? Introducing HomeDesignsAI, the way to redesign the ins and outs of your home for free. With HomeDesignsAI, you can take a picture of any room or outdoor space and watch how our AI transforms it into a hyper-realistic render with your favorite design style. There are more than 40 design styles to choose from, so you'll never run out of fresh design ideas for yourself or your clients. But here's where it gets really interesting. You can also use Home Designs to fill an empty room with furniture, or use it to move your furniture around. Yep, my living room would definitely look better if I moved the couch over there. Or you can just step outside, take a photo, and change the look of your house's exterior, patio, or garden. Our AI is happy to do the work for you. And the best part, it's happy to do it for free. What's the point of spending hours scrolling through design websites or shelling out big bucks for decorators and interior designers? With HomeDesignsAI, you can save time and money while getting the results you want. So why wait? Try HomeDesignsAI today and start redesigning your home in less than 30 seconds.